Episode 1. Safety on an airplane as imagined by a robot. Cue the bots!
Welcome to plane. This plane cannot be trusted, but you can. To be alive, always wear your seatbelt. There are 2 exits to this plane, this one here, and that one there. If you are seated in an exit row, you are now the pilot. In case there is a disturbed cloud, oxygen masks will come for you. There are just enough masks for most people to have enough masks. Now, if the water is where the plane chooses to go, don't worry. Your seat can float far away from you. Young children must be turned off or placed in airplane mode. Flying is illegal, so don't tell.